Hi everyone, this is Suri. Welcome back to our ANC channel. As the digital signage market continues growing, taxi LED display becomes an emerging market in the current situation. As the largest taxi LED display manufacturer in China, we have been designing, manufacturing, and selling this item for 6 years. Our taxi screens has been successfully sold out to hundreds of countries around the world. Among these projects, there are bulk buyers from the USA, Thailand, Australia, Spain, Poland, Senegal, and Mexico, etc. With the maturity of LED display technology and superior advertising effects, from P5 to P3.3, then HD performance P2.5, achieve the highest level in the contrast ratio and brightness. Meanwhile, most of them also have high requirements for the use of taxi screens. Today, I'm going to show you in details for these two best-selling taxi screens, P2.5 and P3.3. The P3.3 taxi screen size is 960 by 320 millimeters. The resolution is 288 by 96 dots. The 5000 nits brightness ensures the content on the screen vivid even on the direct sunlight. IP65 protection degree will fully guarantee the product longevity and a stable performance. Uploading the program is convenient because the built-in software supports Wi-Fi, USB, GPS, and 4G connection. If you are targeting to a large quantity taxi screens to your local market, the GPS function will help you to do advertising within an area and a population in a more targeting way. For some demanding customers, they will choose high-resolution taxi screens to perfectly display and promote the company's advertising. Compared to P2.5 and P3.3, the best advantage of P2.5 is high resolution over the P3.3. As you can see these two screens, the P2.5 shows more perfect image and bright colors. Now, the question is, for these two best-selling taxi screens, how to choose the most suitable one, P2.5 or P3.3? Usually, the customer chooses based on the pixel requirements and the current budget. If the customer doesn't have high requirements for the resolution, considering the budget, most of them will choose the P3.3 as the first sample order for a good test, which can also meet the adult's requirements. Except that, we will use a professional tool like GUM to take a video of the taxi screen's brightness test. If you want to know more about this part, please stay tuned. We will be explaining in details next video. ANC as a leading supplier of taxi LED display, we are still continue the research and development. If you have any good idea on improving taxi screens, warmly welcome to do fuller discussions with our ANC team. See you next video. Bye!